Hey everybody, if you're looking for an interactive way to teach your young one about phone numbers and emergency contacts, then stick around. So if you go to my blog, you can print off these What is my phone number worksheets. They have 4 different separate sections for learning. You have this phone keypad to practice typing, a place to write your number. You have these questions. They're prompts for your little one just to help them get engaged and coach them on important information that's important for an emergency situation. Then right down here at the bottom, you have these blocks that coordinate with these tiles in the second sheet. So you just print it out and then you can practice piecing together your number with your little one too. So first, I'm just going to take a marker, a red one and a green one, and I'm just going to go ahead and color in the dial pad buttons. And then I'm going to bust out my laminator and I'm going to laminate both sheets. Alright, so now that everything is laminated, I'm going to take the tile numbers and I'm just going to go ahead and cut them out. Once I have all that cut out, I'm just going to take it and store it in a regular mailing envelope. And then I got these jumbo paper clips and I'm just going to clip it to the sheet, and that's how I'm going to store it. You can pick up these paper clips at Five Below for just $1. If you enjoyed that, then the link is in the bio to my blog to download that sheet for free. And if you like stuff like this and you want to see more, stick around. And thanks for coming to Stepford.